Hey guys, got another custom e-bike conversion video here for you today. I want to go over what the customer was looking for and what components I use to meet his needs. If you're new to the channel, I am Johnny Nerdout. I am a professional e-bike nerd, builder, mechanic. If you're into videos like these, please subscribe. I make nerdy videos all the time, each one more nerdier than the last, I promise. Let's get right into it. So the customer was looking for an economical long-range commuter. So let's go over the components I use to fit his needs. So for the motor, I use the BBS02 motor. It's rated at 750 watts. I chose this because the controller is built into the motor, which makes it a really nice, clean build. It's durable, it's efficient. For the battery, I used a 52 volt, 17.5 amp hour battery using Samsung 35E cells. This is gonna give him the most capacity possible in a high-long shell, which is going to give him the most possible range, and that's exactly what he wanted. For the display, we just went with the Bafang 961 display. It's a very basic display, but it covers everything you need. It has speed, it has power, shows you the time, shows you your distance, your odometer, so it has everything you need, nothing you don't need. So the only add-on or accessory that I put on here was the gear shift sensor. I think this is necessary because it's a mid-drive. You don't want to be putting power to the rear wheel while you're shifting. That could cause chain damage, that could cause damage to your rear cassette or freewheel. So this is very important to add longevity and reliability to the whole system. This is a must-have in my opinion if you have a mid-drive. So overall, I think this is going to be a great bike for the customer. It checks all the boxes that he needed. And yeah, I'm really happy with the way it turned out. Thanks for watching, guys. Feel free to let me know what accessories you think would make this bike even better. I'm always curious to see what accessories people come up with, and yeah, there's always new products coming out, so yeah, keep me in the loop. Thanks, guys.